All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something really cool. Indeed, I got a Kody Eutsler custom knives slip joint right over here. That's the certificate of the authenticity. This guy comes in a pretty cool leather pouch, and it's a custom knife. It's a slip joint made by Kody Eutsler, and this is one of the most beautiful slip I got. Overall, below 6.5, 2 3/4 of an inch for the blade, which is like 7 centimeters or 8.5. So let me show you a couple of other Eutsler custom. You get a duckling, you get a duck right over here to see the size. Of course, this guy is a tiny one. It's let's say like this is like the Neon from Shirogorov, and this is like an F3 from Shirogorov as well, and you can see clearly that is a nice gentleman-sized knife. Like, for example, you get Fontenil Pateau Laitier right over here. And to give you another idea of a tiny one, I got kind of like a gentleman's knife, the Nandi from Chris Riv Knives, right up there, just to give you a sense of the size for this pretty cool slip joint right there. So this is a very nice one. I'm not really like a slip joint fan, but when I see carbon fiber inlays in a mill titanium handle, I can't resist. I really like, titanium with carbon fiber inlays. I think it's something pretty cool, right? It matches, it goes pretty well. But anyways, this is a CPM 154 steel stone washed blade in a slip joint package. The walk and talk, it's very nice, slippy, and strong, not sleepy, not slippery. It's the fuller over here. It's of course like more kind of like a nail nick kind of thing, so you can easily pull the blade out. Of course, you see the retention is pretty strong, blades perfectly centered. You have some nice chamfering going on the side, very cool micro milling, indeed, like kind of like starburst pattern going on. You have 2 screws going through the handle and coming up from the other side. There's I didn't disassemble this guy because, yeah, I'm not really, there's not much probably going on, just like a spring right there. So didn't need like any cleanup. It was pretty in good shape, but nonetheless, this guy, as you notice, is clipless. So there's no pocket clip going on. You have a sheet. You can toss it in your pocket. It's fine. The screws here are flush with the handle. There's no lanyard hole option. As you can see, just a long spring in the back, which is pretty much like a back spacer. You have a very cool design. The clip point blade stone washed 30% belly straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Let's see how thick this guy is. You get 3 millimeters and kind of like behind the edge, let's say 0.6. Yeah, so it's pretty good. It's nice. I like it very much. It's tiny. It's just like a gentleman's knife, something you toss it in the pocket, and that is it. So it's very straightforward tip. It's pretty safely recessed. I mean, I really don't see anything wrong with this thing, except for the fact that it's extremely cool. It's just this. I really like it. I probably would have preferred maybe like more like a drop point blade, but still, clip like that is fine. As long as it's not a Bowie, I got it. I get it. I like it. It's my style. It feels good in the hand. Actually, let's see how much this guy is gonna be weighing in your pocket. Not much for sure. You have, let's see, 51.5 grams. Just to give you an idea, like a Nandi is 44, which is like extremely light. So this is a very nice addition. If you like custom knives, if you like Kody Eutsler design language, I think this is a very cool one. Super simple. It's gonna be in the $500-600 range, so not properly a cheap one. But the sound, look at this, clack, it's bang and clack, and clack again. Very pleasant. No hot spots, absolutely good in the hand. Of course, it's a non-locking blade, so this thing can happen, but the spring is pretty good, so this guy is coming right back. So that's nice. Fit and finish, very nice. No rattling, no blade play. Of course, this guy is running on washers, and there's no clip, as I said, but doesn't really bother me in this case. I kind of like it. It's a tiny one. It's a pretty cool slip joint. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.